Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I know, I've been spoiling you lately because I've been making so many unboxing videos, and here's another one. Can you tell that I've had a pay rise and that I have a new job, so I'm splashing out a little bit. Just treating yourself, you know, you need good equipment, you know, just keep upgrading yourself. So this time I will be unboxing a 4K monitor, which is 32 inch. I'll put the name of the monitor here. It's from BENQ, and I'm just not gonna pronounce the whole name because it is a bit long and there's so many different letters and numbers. So yeah, anyway, I'll post a link in the description of this video to the site where I bought it, or the website where I bought it. So yeah, anyway, the box is insanely big. I've never seen a box this big. When the delivery guy arrived, he was like, "Here's your TV," and I was like, "It's not a TV." Just quickly gonna show you this. This is the stand. I'm pretty sure. I already opened the box. You know me, I just can't contain myself. I had a little sneak peek. I will be unboxing this in a bit. Make it. They did it with masking tape. I see. Right. Anyway, so let me show you how huge this box is, as I always tend to do apparently. Just to like give you an idea of how big this box is. Here's how big this box is. This is insane. All the people who make unboxing videos for a living are probably cringing so much right now. But we're doing this my way. I don't have a fancy table where I unbox things. I'm just a normal, simple girl who quite likes technology. And yeah, anyway, let's get unboxing. So let's have a quick look at what is in this box. As I said or mentioned before, an HDMI cable fell out, which is cool. So just cables, power cable, some guidelines, which is always quite useful. More cables, ooh la la. And then this is also part of the stand, I'm assuming. Yup, so this is the one put at the bottom. Looks quite nice. It's quite matte, so it looks quite nice. It's quite... Let's just quickly open this part of the stand as well. So here is this part of the stand. And let's get to the actual monitor. Ooh, how exciting! Ooh! Right. Right, so here we have the monitor, which is huge. I knew I was getting a 32-inch monitor. Part of me was kind of like, I wanted a 28, 27-inch monitor because I feel like that's enough. But then my co-worker kind of convinced me to get this one because it's like, if you're gonna buy one and spend the money, you might as well just go all out. And I was like, you have a point. Alright guys, I just set up the monitor without the cables. I will be testing it myself later on. Oh my goodness, it's so big! I wonder what people are gonna say when I show up at work with this. They're just gonna be like, "You're so extra." And I'll be like, I know. So yeah, anyway, the monitor is absolutely beautiful. I literally cannot wait to test it out because I've never tried a 4K screen myself. So I'm super hyped about this. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video yet again. Probably not as professional as you would want it, or as detailed as you would want it, but I don't know what else I can say about this apart from the fact that it looks insanely beautiful, and I actually really like the way it looks. It's got a really clean, professional look, and I actually like the fact that it's so big. Like, I cannot wait to actually play games on this. Like, imagine playing a game like The Witcher on this, or anything really. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see me try, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Suggestions are always welcome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!